Hey, I hope you're doing good. It's Chris here from 6-String Fingerpicking. In this lesson, we're learning how to play a fun, kind of intermediate level fingerstyle arrangement of Leaving on a Jet Plane by John Denver. Really hope you enjoy the lesson. If you do, please be sure to give the video a quick thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, press the notification bell, and also if you want the tab on the full lesson, that is available down in the description. So for this one, we're in standard tuning and I've placed the capo on the 3rd fret. The capo is completely optional. I was playing it without a capo in the original key, but I felt that putting a capo on just kind of sweetens the sound of the guitar up a little bit. But as I say, it's totally up to you if you want to use it or not. So even though that we've got the capo on, I'm still going to be referring to the chords as if there were no capo. So the verse goes like... Okay, that's the first time through. So the chords are dead simple. It's just a G, C. You do that 3 times. Once more. And then it goes to a D. D sus4. So the chords are really basic. So to get into it, we've got... That's just open 3rd string, and then the 2nd fret on the same string. All my bags are packed. Ready to go. Okay, so open and then 2nd fret on the 3rd string, and then we're onto our G and just hold down the 3rd fret on the bottom string, but also include the 1st fret on the 2nd string. Play those 2 together, and then you're going to play strings 4, open 2 this time, and then the 3rd string. So far. Then it goes to the C chord. Ready to go. And here, just hold down the 3rd fret on the 5th string and play that with the open 4th string, but then hammer the 2nd fret on that 4th string. Okay, and then after that you're going to play the open 3rd string and then the 2nd fret on the 3rd string. So, okay, and so far. Really nice. And then it's back to the G, and again it's that G sus4 thing, so we're starting with the 1st fret on the 2nd string, play that with the bass, and then again play that 1st fret once more, and pull off to open, and then play the 3rd string open. So that's... I'm standing here, outside your door. Okay? So we just did that, and then I played the 3rd string again open, and then the C is exactly the same as before. So. Okay, so not too tricky so far. And then we've got one more G to C, and this time we've got... There's that I hate to wake you up to say goodbye. Okay, so we're on the G, 1st fret again on the 2nd string, play those 2 together, and then once more the 2nd string, and pull off to open, and then on the 3rd string it's 2, pull off to open, like that. And then you're going to catch the 1st fret on the 2nd string, and that leads to our C, so play that and then the bass note of the C. So. Okay, and then we're leading to a D, and to get into it we're going to play the 2nd string open, and then we're going to pull off 2 open on the 3rd string, and then D. Okay, so we hold down a D and I'll play strings 3 and 4. So let's recap slowly. So when we're on this D, I'll just fill out the sound by strumming the chord a little bit. So we've played strings 3 and 4, then I might strum down, Make it a sus4, so we add our pinky to the 3rd fret on the top string, strum up, down, and then I lift it off back to a regular D, followed by bass, and then another strum, something like that. And then we go once more through the verse. So this time, so here, to get into it, I play the 3rd string open and quickly hammer the 2nd fret, and then to our G with that 1st fret on the 2nd string, play those two together, and then open 2nd string, open 3rd string, open 4th string, and then open 4th string again. So it's like, okay, and then it's a C, so exactly the same as last time. And then back to our G, again with that 1st fret, play that on the 2nd string with the bass, and then open 2nd, open 3rd, open 4th, open 4th, and then the C again. So that's exactly the same, just repeated twice. And then it's slightly different here. So this here on the G, we play the bass note, and then we're going to pull off 1 to open on the 2nd string, and then 2nd fret on the 3rd string, open 3rd string, so, and then again we're going to catch that 1st fret on the 2nd string as we lead to our C, so, and then open 2nd string, and then we're going to pull off 2 open the 3rd string, and that leads to our D chord. So this time, second half of the 1st verse. And then we're going to play open 3rd string, and then 4th fret on the 4th string. And then we could just fill that out with a few strums because we're leading into the pre-chorus. So this section goes like this. That leads into the chorus. So the chords here are really the same as before: G, C, G, C, G, C, G, D. So you're going to start by playing the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and then we're on our G. So you play the bass note and again play that 2nd string 3rd fret, and then strings 4, 3, and open 2, and then back onto the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. So then we're onto the C chord, and you're going to hold that down and play strings 2 and 5, followed by 4, open 2, open 3. Okay, and then I like to fill it out just with a little strum, up, down, up, really lightly just to fill out the sound. So far. Back to our G, and again 3rd fret on the 2nd string, play that with the bass, followed by the 4th string, 1st on the 2nd, and then open 2nd, open 3rd, and then 3rd fret on the 2nd. So back to our C, which is exactly the same as before. Okay, so far. And and then the G, again exactly the same as the previous G. Okay, and then C. So on this C, what I do, hold that down, play strings 2 and 5, and pull off the second string to open. You can do a little strum to follow if you want, and then I'll pull off 2 open on the third string, and that leads to a D. So that's, and then the D, just like before, strum, sus4, up, down, back to D, bass, strum. Bearing in mind there's lots of different ways you could approach it. This is just one example. And that is the pre-chorus. So let me just play that this section once more for you. Here's how the chorus goes. Okay, so quite short. That then leads into another verse. So starts exactly the same way as the pre-chorus. 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and then to our G, and again play that 2nd string with the bass, followed by strings 4, 3, and then open 2. Leaving on a jet plane. So we go to our C chord after that and play strings 1 and 5, and then the 2nd string 3rd fret, and then the 1st fret, and then the 3rd string, and then back to the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. So back to our G, play the bass, and then the 2nd string, 3rd fret. Okay, and then open 2nd string with the open 4th string, and then back to the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. So, and then I'll be back again. So C, and there I played strings 2 and 5. And then on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, then back to the 1st fret, then the 4th string, and then open 2 and open 3. So okay, then back to G, play the bass note, and then strings 4, 3, 6. So, and then 3rd fret on the 2nd string, down to our C, and here I'll play strings 2 and 5, followed by a very light strum. So, and then open 2nd string, and then pull off 2 open on the 3rd string, and that leads to our D. So far. Don't know when I'll be back again. Okay, and then on the D, you kind of get the descending bass line that I think he sings. So we play the D, we play strings 3 and 4, and then strum, and then we play up, strum, up, down, then the 3rd string open, and then we play the 4th fret on the 4th string, followed by strum. Okay, so put those fingers back on, just like a D chord, but add that one on. So strum, and then again strum, up, down, and then we play 2 on the 4th string to open, and then just do a regular D again, strum, up, down, up, and then bass. So slowly that's. And that that's it. That then leads, as I say, into another chorus. So just let me play, into another verse. Just let me play the chorus once more for you. And then that goes into another verse, and then another chorus, and a final chorus, and then you're out. There are a few small nuances to the second verse and the final chorus. So if you want to learn how to play those, I'm going to be teaching those over on my website. So if you're interested, just follow the link down in the description and you get the rest of the lesson right away. Alright, so that's it for this lesson. I really hope that you've enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. Check out some of the other videos I have here on my channel. And also, if you want to try some of my fingerstyle courses that I have available on my website, you can do completely for free. The link is in the description. But until next time, thanks a lot.